Welcome to Synodoc. Hello everyone, I'm Kisan from Synodoc. In this video, we will discuss about ID code registration process. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest update and information. If you are an exporter importer, then you must need to register ID code in your ICGate account. If you already have ICGate account, then you can log in your ICGate account and you can add ID code in that account. If you don't have ICGate account, then first you need to register on ICGate. To register on ICGate, you need to upload some documents. If you are a proprietorship firm, then you need to upload two documents. First, IC code self-attested copy, and second, Aadhaar card color scan self-attested copy. If you are a partnership, private limited or LLP company, then you need to upload three documents. First, IC code self-attested copy, second, Aadhaar card color scan self-attested copy, and third, authorization letter on company letterhead. To register on ICGate, you need to apply for a class 3 digital signature. You need to have a class 3 digital signature. If you already have digital signature, then it's good. If you don't have digital signature, then you can apply your digital signature. You can find website URL in the video description where you can apply your class 3 digital signature. If you need any kind of support regarding ICGate registration or ID code registration, then you can find contact us in detail in the video description. To register on ICGate, you need to open ICGate website. Open ICGate website. After that, click on old website. Now you can find login and sign up option. Click here. After that, you can find sign up now option. Click on sign up now. Click on OK. Here you need to enter your details. First you need to enter ICGate ID. You can create any ICGate ID. After that you need to enter your email address. Now click on check option. OK. Insert digital signature in your system and then click OK. User role, you can select IC holder. User type, IC holder. Here you need to enter your IC code. After that, click on verify option. You can find your IC detail here. You can select your custom location from here. Custom location, you can select multiple locations. Press Ctrl and you can select multiple location. After that, click on confirm option. Click on run option. Here you need to enter your details. First, need to run Java properly. You can find initialize option here. Now you need to enter your details. First you need to enter your name. Name as per Aadhaar card. You need to enter same name as per Aadhaar card. Next, mobile number. Here you need to upload your authorization letter. Second, you need to upload your IC code certificate. Third, you need to select Aadhaar card from here. You need to enter your Aadhaar card number and here you need to upload your Aadhaar card copy. Documents type, you can select import export as per your requirement. After that, you can upload your digital signature here. To upload your digital signature, click here to upload DSC. Click on OK. Click on allow option. You can find your certificate here. You can select your certificate. And after that, click on OK option. After successfully upload your DSC, click on agree button and then confirm. When you click on confirm option, you will get the next page. Here you need to your OTP. You can check your register mail ID that you entered at processing time. You will receive one OTP. You need to enter that OTP from here. When you enter your OTP, your application will be submitted and you will get user ID and password from the IC Gate after account approval. So that's how you can register on IC Gate. After successfully application submitted, you will get user ID password from the IC Gate after account approval. Whenever you receive the IC Gate user ID password, then you are allowed to add AD code in that IC Gate account. To add AD code in the IC Gate account, you need to log in your account. First, you need to open IC Gate website. Then click on old website. After that, scroll down the page. And here you can find digital signature option. Click on that option. After that, you can find Commerce Signer utility. Click on that option and then you can find PDF file signing option. When you click on that option, you need to upload some documents to sign with the digital signature. You can check your documents list here. You need to upload these documents: bank ID code letter, IC certificate, GST certificate, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and company cancel check. You need to convert all these documents in one single PDF file and save that PDF file in your system, and then you can upload that PDF file to sign with the digital signature. To sign with digital signature, open that PDF file. Click here for sign PDF file. Then you can find this Java option. Now you can select your PDF file that you have created. Select that file and click on open option. Now you need to select your digital signature that you want to sign with that PDF file and then click on OK option. That's how you can sign the PDF file. After that, you need to log in your account. Click on old website. Enter your user ID password and you need to enter your CAPTCHA and then click on submit option. After logging your account successfully, click on filing services and then click on eSanchit. Here you need to upload that PDF file that you have just signed. You need to upload that PDF file. Select that file and click on upload option. After that, you need to select documents type, bank letter and certificate, and then click on submit option. Accept. You can get your IRN number here. You can note down this IRN number. After that, click on financial services, and then click on bank account management. Here you need to select first option for bank account and IFSC code. Click on submit option. To add new account, click on add new account option. Here you need to enter your bank account details. First, you need to enter your bank account number. Second, you enter bank name. You can search your bank name here. After that, you need to enter IFSC code. Then IRN number. You can copy this IRN number and you can paste here. After that, you can need to select location code, port location code, and then you need to enter upload IC user ID. Then you need to click on add account. You will get one OTP on your register mobile number. you need to enter that OTP and submit. To check that account, you can find your bank account detail here. I have already added, so I'm not adding again. Second, you need to add AD code in your account. To add AD code, click on financial services, then bank account management, and then you need to select your authorized dealer code option here, and then click on submit. After that, you need to click on add new account. Again, you need to enter your detail here. First, you need to enter bank account, second bank name, third AD code. You need to enter your IRN number here. You need to select your location, and then you can enter your user ID. After that, click on add account option. You will get one OTP again on your registered mobile number. You need to enter that OTP and click on submit option. To check that, click on financial services, then bank account management, and you can find your AD code here. You can take that screenshot and you can use that AD code. So that's how you can register on iSecret and you can add AD code in your account. If you need any kind of support regarding iSecret registration or AD code registration, you can find contact us detail in the video description. If you want to apply digital signature, you can find website URL in the video description where you can apply your digital signature. Till then, thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press bell button for the latest update and information.